Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end, because if you do one thing wrong, you can actually burn electronic modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. Stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series, generation F10 F11, even it may work on E60 E61. If you need to disconnect, guys, okay, airbag wires, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that, because if you do them the wrong way, first you can damage the connector, which is very expensive. Sometimes you need to replace the whole wiring harness, or you may need to replace the connector itself. We have a video how to replace BMW connector only, airbag connector only, because otherwise the plug itself, it's inexpensive, but the whole wiring harness is expensive. If you do not disconnect it the other way, you can damage airbags, and those are really expensive. You can also blow them up and they can kill you. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, do not, guys. Why? Because airbags can simply, guys, kill you. So consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. We will explain how we do it. It doesn't mean it's the right way. Now let's explain what else needs to be done every time you remove, disconnect, or you work close to an airbag system. Every time you work on airbag systems, disconnecting airbags, being close to airbags, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour. That way you can minimize the chance for something to blow up, but it still could, guys. So disconnect the car battery, wait 1 hour. On these new cars, it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers. How we know that? We burn the airbag module computer on Mercedes. That, guys, itself cost us $2,000. So check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first, which battery terminal to connect first. All that will be on our channel, guys. You can find out more about it. So let's start on the airbag now. So what we have here specifically, that's a 2013 BMW 520i. Doesn't matter on which airbag you will be working on, passenger, driver, knee airbag, dash airbag, the connectors are all about the same. So we'll come right here and we'll demonstrate that, guys. Now this is the knee airbag that we have removed here. Let's just hold the camera for a second here like that. Okay, I want to show you, this is an airbag connector, guys, that we have right there. And the airbag connector, you grab it on both sides when it's plugged in and you pull it, and that piece should come straight up like that. When it comes like that, the airbag will be able to pull out. If it's pushed in, the airbag shouldn't be able to disconnect. And if you come right here on top, you will notice, okay, for instance, this is, guys, the airbag for the passenger side. We have one, this is stage 1 igniter, stage 2, and that's the valve. We'll demonstrate on this one now, right there. Let's try to hold the camera, okay, focused like this one, so we can see the whole action. Okay, perfect. So that connector here, we grab that thing on top, okay, and okay, that connector itself, the plastic thing, will come out. Give me just a second, because I need to grab it with my hands. Okay, check this thing out. I remove the middle piece, it's out. And when I do that, I can grab the whole connector and pull it out. You can see that's how it is. When you're ready to connect it, okay, you're going to go ahead, align it where it's supposed to be. Okay, let me get my head here, push it in, and then don't forget to push the middle piece in. So that's how you guys do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.